Hello there. Let's have a quick technical analysis on Nvidia Corporation. As you know, it will have its earning report after market close. So let's use our technical analysis to see which key points to watch. So I will show you my technical analysis on day chart. This is a day chart. All right, this is my analysis. Let me show you what does it mean. So this trend is started from 108. This is starting point to now 480. So there's two trading platform, one here and one down here. And then what I did was using the Fibonacci extension to measure what? Let me to show you. To measure the inflow of this last trading platform and compare it with the outflow of the last trading platform. And then I got numbers. So what I did was comparing this one and this one. As you can see, the Fibonacci numbers 482, it's the number for 0.5. What does that mean? That means the length of this outflow is the same as half of this inflow. So the next level is 500. Also, key points to watch. Last one is 559. So these 3 points is the key points to watch today after market close. If it's go up, if it's go down, let's see what is if it's go down. If I remove this one, if it's go down, there's a gap around the, let's see the price here. So the gap should be 435. Yes, the gap, there's a gap around 435. So if it go down, we could measure the percentage from the current price to 435 is minus 6% about. If it go back to the trading platform, the price level here is 119. So let's aim to measure the percentage from the current price to the trading platform. It's about 10%. So now you got the range now. If it go up, you just need to monitor the Fibonacci extension numbers. If it go down, first monitor the gap, and then if it go back to the trading platform, then 420 or 419 is the key number to cover, or if you want to jump in. All right, that's the quick update.